this is Jen's video. Today we're going to see dancing raisins. You might not believe it, there's raisins who can dance. But what you need is a cup filled with water. Who has the straight like a mountain, this much water. And half cup of mountain. And you also need baking sodas and white vinegar and some raisins. First, you have to baking soda in. You have to put all of it. That was a lot.
You mix it. I'll put this one.
And next, we're gonna put this one. So you have to make it the right amount. Oh no, oh no. Oh my God. How are we gonna do this? So you have to wait. Oh my God, what happened? Except we made exploding the vinegar. Yeah, it might be like this if you put a lot of vinegar. I put a lot of vinegar. So next you're gonna put the raisins. Okay, I'll see. I'm scared. Real volcano. I'm gonna make them more. Oh! Oh my God! Look at this. This is amazing. Okay. Hello. You can feel it, but make sure to wash your hands. Oh my God! It feels like so wet. Okay, one more. I love these. Oh my God. A lot of it. We can also make sure if you make this mess, you can clean it up. So bye bye guys. Please subscribe our video and give us a thumbs up and press the like button. Bye bye.